Today we're going to look at a unique bag from the brand Matador. This unstructured packable backpack is versatile in its ability to be used as a personal item when traveling or a daily carry when you get to your destination, because this backpack can actually be zipped up into itself. This is the Refraction Packable Backpack. You may have seen ones like this before at places like REI, but this bag takes it to the next level. It really feels premium in material and construction, and that's because it's from the brand Matador. If you haven't heard of Matador, they're a high-performance travel equipment company based in Boulder, Colorado. Their backpacks and accessories have an outdoorsy adventure look and feel to them, and they are made with sustainable fabrics and materials that meet Blue Sign criteria. This is not a sponsored video, but Matador did send me these bags to try out. If you like this one, be sure to click on the affiliate link in the video description to snag it for yourself. The Refraction backpack retails for $60 US. The first thing about this bag that caught my eye is the color. I love this blue slate. It's so unique compared to other packs like this on the market. The Refraction series actually features 3 different bags and 3 different colors. There's also a duffel and a sling, and all 3 come in either blue slate, Arctic white, or black. More on those other 2 bags in future videos, but for now, let's check out the dimensions of this one. It comes in at 16 liters and measures 17 by 10 by 7.5. And if you decide to zip it up into itself, which I'll show you a little later on in this video, the dimensions will shrink down to 5.5 by 8 by 3. This personal item compliant bag is made mostly with recycled nylon, but also features this stretchy type of material for the large front zipper pocket, as well as the 2 water bottle pockets on the sides. And this material has a really nice premium look and feel to it. In addition to that front pocket and the side ones, there's also a top pocket for small things when traveling, like your phone or wallet. This pocket is also where the bag will zip into itself if you plan on packing it into another bag. And lastly, there's this large main compartment. Another thing that really differentiates this one from other packable bags are these water-resistant YKK zippers. The bag also has these little security loops that work really well for keeping your items safe. The bag has some decent shoulder straps for an unstructured packable bag that feel pretty comfortable. It's nowhere near the comfort level of an Able Carry or Air product, but it's good enough for a bag at this price point. I do believe the other bags in the Matador lineup have much nicer straps though compared to these. There's also this adjustable and removable sternum strap. And if you want to use this on top of a roller, you just slide the sternum straps through these little loops and it will create a luggage pass-through, which is pretty nifty. Now, let's take a look at how the bag zips into itself for packable mode. It's a pretty seamless process. You just open up this top zipper and start pushing the bag into the compartment. Now that we've taken a look at the specs, let's pack this up as a personal item bag for a flight. You could technically use this bag for personal item only travel, but since it's so unstructured, it's not going to be a comfortable carry, and I don't think that that is what this bag was really made for. Whatever you carry in the bag, you will feel against your back, so I suggest first starting with a sweatshirt or a windbreaker. This will create a nice padding on your back, and sweatshirts really come in handy if the airplane is a little too cold, or even if you want to use it as a pillow. You can pack a windbreaker if you're flying to a destination where rain might be a little more prevalent. Next, let's add in a book. I'm a big tennis fan, and in honor of the French Open happening right now, I thought I'd read String Theory by David Foster Wallace. I've been trying to read more recently, which always seems to be a struggle, but nonetheless, a plane is a great place to be able to spend some time reading. And if I get tired of the words, I'll pull out this little Game & Watch for a reading break. This is the Super Mario Game & Watch, which features Super Mario Bros. 1 and 2. And And when I'm tired of that, I'll know it's time for a snack. In this day and age, airplane food isn't always complimentary, so I like to pack a little snack. A granola bar or some trail mix is usually a good bet for a flight. I also always bring a water bottle. A lot of airports now have water bottle refilling stations, which is really helpful. You can save a lot of money bringing your own bottle, and you can use it again when you get to your destination while on the go. Next, we'll pack a notebook and pen, as I always like to have these on hand in case an idea comes to mind or if I need to jot something down. I'll also throw in this tiny flat tripod from Moft, just in case I need to film something at the airport, on the plane, or when I get to my destination. And lastly, I'll bring a camera, because you don't know when that perfect shot might appear. I've been messing around with disposables again recently, and I find them to be super fun to use. Now, let's see how it all fits in the bag. If you just plan on using this bag when you get to your destination, you can just pack it up into itself and then unpack it and use it when you roam around. And that's going to be it. What do you think of this packable backpack from Matador? Be sure to leave a comment on if you would use a bag like this.